decided to do updates on Lexi monthly on our post-workout walks. Right, Lexi? Okay. So she's 3 months. She's barely turned 3 months a couple days ago. And any differences? Well, honestly, the only difference that we noticed is that her sleeping schedule. She is waking up a lot more now because she's hungry or hungrier. She eats a lot more. I've been giving her a lot more formula, maybe about, I'm estimating between 16 to 18 ounces of formula plus breastfeeding. So she's eating a lot. She's always eating, right, Lexi? Always eating. So that's the biggest difference, honestly. Other than that, she is basically the same. Oh, one more thing. Very, very important. She is super fuzzy, as in, okay, so she eats, she sleeps, and then she wakes up, she's happy, she chills with you. And then she gets really fuzzy because she wants to get up. She wants you to move. She wants you to, she wants you to take her places or see new scenery. So what I've done is that I take her to the yard or something, and she, or to the front porch, and she's okay. She's cool. Right, Lexi? So she gets bored very easily now. That's a big change. So eating and getting bored. That's the major changes here. Oh, and she likes this thing now. I put her front facing and she loves it. Before she didn't like this at all. So I guess basically those three things. She likes this thing now. Super likes it. And she eats more and she gets bored a lot easier. So that's the 3-month update. Other than that, she poops about the same. She pees a lot. So my sleeping is still bad because I'm waking up every roughly 3 hours or so to feed her. And but yeah, other than that, she's basically the same. So I'll update you guys on the 4th month update when if anything changes here. But other than that, she's good. If I come up with more, I'll videotape it. I'm not really sure. I should write things down. This is more like raw. I like doing the raw videos. But if I should be more organized and like write everything down that she's different or not different, which I'm gonna start doing. So 3-month update. Say bye, Lexi. Say bye, sweetie. Say bye. Huh? One more thing I totally forgot to mention. So now that she gets bored easily, she is trying to destroy my workouts. So right now we were working out, upper body, and this girl only let me work out for 40 minutes. She interrupted my HIIT, so we decided to go for a walk. But usually we do go post-workout walk, but this time I'm going a little longer, which is 20 minutes now. I also want to do an update on Summer, how she acts with Lexi. So that'll be a pointer, points. I would do a summary on Lexi and on Summer number. So what Summer's doing is that now she doesn't care about Lexi at all. Before, it was like, what is Lexi doing? Can I give her a kiss? Now it's like, whatever. So hopefully she when she gets older and starts walking, hopefully Summer starts playing with her and stuff. They'll be super cute. But she literally doesn't care. She doesn't lick her anymore. No more kisses, nothing. She's a little bit more aware that she's there though. She tries to walk around her now. Before it was like I had to like block her, be like, hey, somebody's there. But now she walks around her, so that's a good thing. Right, Lexi? That's a good thing. All right, I think that's about it. And right now there's a package that came in. We bought this little bar set, which is super cool. So I'm gonna show it to you guys before I assemble it and after, and then show you how I set up the whole wine thing. It's a wine and alcohol like table, and it's pretty cool because we just bought like $300 worth of alcohol for like 2 months. We usually do that. We don't go out, so we buy our alcohol, like really good wine and alcohol, and we drink it on our days off, right, Lexi? Right? You get wasted on milk, and we get wasted too. On family night times. So I'll show you the final product in a little bit. Come on. So Lexi, I'm teaching her how to clean her sister's hands. So post walk, we have to clean her hands with a hand sanitizer. Right, Lexi? And then her legs as well. So cover her legs. Right, Lexi? There we go. Come here. Come here, sir. We gotta teach Lexi. Come on. Up. Up, up, up. Come on. Come on, you gotta grab your sister's hand. Come on. Up, 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 up. Up. Come on, Lexi. Your hand. And you go like this. There we go. Now it's time to clean somebody else's hands. Right, Lexi? There we go. Hey, wanted to show you guys an update. I'm actually the one building it. So, here we go. It's almost done. But this girl right here doesn't allow me to finish. She told me to take a break. So what we're gonna do is go do yoga. I'm gonna take a break. Right, Lexi? Go do some yoga. And then we'll come back. I'll show you guys the end result. But everything's in the floor. Go do some yoga, girl. Alright, guys. She's gonna let me do it. Knocked out. So now I'm finishing up right now, setting it up. So now I'm gonna put this thing on top. I'll show you guys the end result, and I'm out of breath. Progress, guys, progress. Not done yet though. I'm almost done, guys, and I just wanted to stop because this girl is so fucking cute. Summer, is that your toy, Summer? Summer, is that your toy? Huh? Is that your bed now? Almost done here. So adorable. Small update.